I am from Gauras Maths Hub. I am going to discuss one question that has been taken from inverse trigonometric functions. That question is question number 13, exercise 2.2, equal to find the value of tan 1 over 2 in square bracket sin inverse 2x over 1 plus x square plus cos inverse 1 minus y square over 1 plus y square bracket close, comma, mod x less than 1, comma, y greater than 0, xy less than 1. This is the question which I have taken from chapter 2nd, inverse trigonometry function. Now come out to solution here. Here I have written solution equal to given that the same function tan 1 over 2, open here square bracket sin inverse 2x over 1 plus x square plus cos inverse 1 minus y square over 1 plus y square bracket 2. This is the question. What to do here? Here I shall let x equal to tan theta and y equal to tan phi. Tan phi, this is phi, tan phi. So here I can write theta equal to tan inverse x and phi equal to tan inverse y can be written. Now here I shall write the original question. Here I am going to write tan 1 over 2, open here square bracket, sin inverse 2x whole over 1 plus x square plus cos inverse 1 minus y square whole over 1 plus y square. Bracket closed. Now again I shall write tan 1 over 2 in bracket sin inverse, open here circle bracket 2, in place of x I can write tan theta. 2 tan theta whole over 1 plus tan square theta, it will become in bracket plus cos inverse, in place of y I can write tan phi. So 1 minus tan square phi plus 1 plus tan square phi. In place of phi I can write tan phi. 1 plus tan square phi, 1 minus tan square phi. Bracket close. Here include the thing in square bracket. So here I can write tan 1 over 2, open here square bracket, sin inverse in bracket. Here you can see 2 tan theta over 1 plus tan square theta. Here you must know formula sin 2 theta equal to 2 tan theta whole over 1 plus tan square theta. This is the formula. Here I can write 2 cos theta equal to 1 minus tan square theta whole over 1 plus tan square theta. Now I shall elaborate about the formula. Here you can see sin 2 theta comes out to 2 sin theta dot cos theta equal to, here you can see in denominator 1 plus tan square theta equal to sec square theta. Sec square theta will move back to numerator, it will become cos square theta. Here sin theta over cos theta. Cos theta or cos theta will be cancelled out. In right hand side you will get 2 sin theta dot cos theta comes out to sin 2 theta. So this is the elaboration of this formula. So here you can see 2 tan theta over 1 plus tan square theta. So in place of this whole term I can write sin 2 theta. So here I shall write sin 2 theta plus cos inverse. Here you can see 1 minus tan square phi over 1 plus tan square phi. So in place of this complete term, I can write cos 2 theta. So here I can write cos 2 theta. Include the thing in bracket. Now what to do here? Next I shall write tan 1 plus 2 sin inverse in bracket sin 2 theta. So here sin inverse there. The sin inverse can be written as 1 over time. Here sin will be cancelled out. Here you will get 2 theta plus here cos inverse in bracket cos 2 theta is there. In place of cos inverse you can write 1 over cos or this cos. Cos will be cancelled out. You will get here 2 phi will get. This is phi, not theta. This is phi. Because cos 2 phi equal to 1 minus tan square phi over 1 plus tan square. Cos inverse in bracket cos 2 phi equal to 2 phi it will be. Now equal to here 1 over 2 will get intern side, bracket will be broken. So here we will get tan in bracket 2 theta will multiply to 1 over 2 comes out to here only theta plus and 2 phi will multiply to 1 over 2 will get here phi bracket. Now I have got here tan, here you can see theta is there, here phi is there. So here open here curly bracket. In place of theta I can write here tan inverse x. So here I shall write tan inverse x plus in place of phi I can write tan inverse y. Curly bracket close. Now comes out to here. Here you can see tan curly bracket open, tan inverse x plus tan inverse y curly bracket. So this comes out to here tan open here curly bracket tan inverse open here circle bracket x plus y whole over 1 minus xy open here curly bracket close here curly bracket open curly bracket. So this is the things you have got here tan dot tan. So here tan can be written as 1 over tan and this tan both will be cancelled out. So here you will get equal to x plus y whole over 1 minus xy. The answer will be equal to x plus y whole over 1 minus xy. This is the correct answer. Here one formula I shall read here. This is the formula tan inverse x plus tan inverse y equal to tan inverse in bracket x plus y whole over 1 minus xy. So here you can see tan inverse x plus tan inverse y equal to tan inverse in bracket x plus y over 1 minus xy. These are the formula you must remember forever. This is the formula. Formula sin 2 theta equal to 2 tan theta over 1 plus tan square theta. Cos 2 theta equal to 1 tan square theta over 1 plus tan. Tan inverse x plus tan inverse y equal to tan inverse in bracket x plus y over 1 minus xy. These are the formula or concept which I have applied in the solution of question 13 exercise 2.2. Okay, thanks.